Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to sort row by font color in Microsoft Excel. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to rearrange data according to font color scheme in Microsoft Excel, and then on top you see data and then you see filter. So click on it. We are using multiple color scheme in rows, and then you see drop down. Now select and then you see sort by color, and also you see custom sort. So you can select color scheme according to your requirement. Now you select this and then you see blue color on top, but you see other color that is not sort format, just show blue color on top. So now we are going to do custom sort. So click on drop down again, then you see sort by color and then you see custom sort. So click on it. So we are going to sort all row by color scheme, and then you see sort by automatic font color order, and then you see add level. So click on it, then by automatic. So you can select type according to your requirement. So we select automatic, and then you see value, font color, and then you see order. So you can set or select color scheme, again add level, automatic, font color, and then you see color scheme. So you can select according to your requirement. Now blue, orange and red format. So click on OK. Now you see layout is changed, first blue, then orange, then red. So you can set custom sort by color according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.